In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the ING Australia mobile app on your Android device. This handy app gives you easy and direct access to your financial needs right from your phone. So, let's get started and walk through this process step by step to ensure you're all set up and ready to go. First things first, make sure your Android phone is on and connected to the internet. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, a stable connection is required to download apps efficiently. Once this is done, you're ready to head over to the Google Play Store. You'll want to locate the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's often shaped like a colorful triangle, so keep an eye out for that. Once you've opened the Play Store, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is where you can type in the name of the app you're after. Type ING Australia into the search bar and then tap the search button. This should bring up a list of search results. Your task is to find the app titled ING Australia, easily recognizable by its orange logo with the white ING text and a distinctive lion icon. Double check that it's developed by ING Direct Australia to ensure you're downloading the official app. When you've found the correct app, it's time to install it onto your device. Simply tap on the install button. Don't worry if it takes a little time for the download and installation to complete, as this largely depends on the speed of your internet connection. Be patient here, it won't take too long. This step is crucial, as the app needs to be stored properly on your device before you can start using it. Once the installation is complete, you have two options for opening the app. You can either tap the open button right there in the Play Store, or look for the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it from there. Either way, you'll be taken straight into the app, ready to explore its features and see what it has to offer. And there you have it. With the ING Australia mobile app now installed on your phone, you're well equipped to manage your finances on the go. Whether it's checking balances, transferring money, or paying bills, this app brings a world of banking convenience right to your fingertips. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy using your new app. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy banking!